Hello and welcome to the first tutorial in a series that VELUX is creating to assist you with using and understanding the VELUX plugin for Archicad. In this series of tutorials, you will learn and understand the library's content and how to use the features and functionalities of the configurator. You will learn about its possibilities to do a rough sketch and also an in-depth specification. This first tutorial will show you how to plug in the library and navigate the filtering options. As you can see, I have my Pathfinder browser open and I'm currently in the Download folder. This is where the zip file containing the VELUX Archicad beta library is located by default after downloading. Looking at the folder name enables you to determine the date of origin of this version of the library. And in this example, you can see that the library originates from the 28th of June 2021. This is also the version number of the library. Once you've extracted the files, you will find that the folder contains multiple file formats. The folder currently consists of 3 different file formats, which are the LCF. There are GSM files. These are for filtering options. And then we have some XML files for scheduling. To begin with, we're going to focus on the LCF file, which contains all the VELUX products that are available for Archicad. The file is shown here. There are several ways of importing the library. There are pros and cons to the different preferences, but I will show you a couple of possibilities here, and then you can choose your preference and what you think is best for you. So inside Archicad, I will open up the Library Manager. So I'll go to the File tab and hover down to Libraries and Objects, and then I will choose Library Manager. Library Manager dialog opens up and you can press Add. And here you can locate the LCF file in the VELUX folder. Press Open and then press OK. So now the library is loaded into Archicad, and if you go to the Skylight tool, you see the library here. And if you press here, you will see you can open up the structure. And you will see that there are 3 folders, one for slope-roofed windows, one for flat roof windows, and one for testing new products inside Archicad. So if we, for example, go to a sloped roof window, you will see an icon for a sloped roof window bundle, and we can press this icon. Then, everything that we have for sloped roof windows, which we have included in the library, is possible to configure now over here in the Product Configurator. It is similar if you choose the Flat Roof Window folder. You will have a flat roof window bundle, and if you choose and press this icon, the configurator will change to everything we have on the flat roof window range. The last folder, which is in here, the test folder, contains products that are under development. You are, of course, welcome to work with these as well, but they are not working optimally just yet, as they are still under development. Not all of the products that are in the library are roof windows, and therefore we also have products in other tools. So, if you go to the Window tool, you will see there is also a folder called Facade Windows. And the setup is similar to the sloped roof and the flat roof approach. If you press the icon, then the configurator will open up, and you're able to configure facade windows, which in our case fits under and should be placed underneath roof windows. Last but not least, there's a possibility to put in the VELUX Active Kit. And this is located in the Object tool. So, if we go into the Object tool, and then go to the VELUX library here, and in here you will, along with the window folders, find the VELUX Active folder. And in here, if you press the icon, you will open up the dialog for VELUX Active. You can then configure and place the different extensions for the VELUX Active Kit from this tool. We will cover this in a later tutorial. But first, as promised earlier, I will show you an alternative method for implementing the library into Archicad. This approach can be an advantage if you have little or no prior knowledge of VELUX products. Using the .gsm files provided in the native VELUX download, it will help you choose the right product for your project. Or, if you have downloaded the library, for example from bimobject.com, you have probably noticed that on VELUX product pages on the platform, .lcf and specific .gsm files are grouped together. In order for this method to work, you must keep both of these file formats in the same folder as demonstrated. So go to the Library Manager and click Add. Instead of choosing the .lcf and clicking Open, make sure you add the folder which holds both file formats and click Choose. Click OK and open the Skylight tool. When you select the VELUX Archicad beta folder, you'll find the icons for the .gsm files below. Select an icon, and the configurator will show you the specific variations for the product range you've selected. For example, if you choose the VELUX Cabrio, the product selector in the configurator will only show the roof balcony, and options and possibilities in the configurator will also be limited to this product category. You can now focus on the specific variations for this product, which in this case are limited to size, frame and sash material and finish, cladding material, and glazing options. If a bundle is chosen, for example, the center pivot bundle, you will have slightly more products in the product selector, as you will be shown all the products which are connected to the center pivot category. This concludes the tutorial on implementing the VELUX Archicad solution into Archicad. The next tutorial in this series will be on controlling LOD with model view options.